I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Search and select Spectra. Fetch it. Then go to your form and fill it up to fetch the data. Submit it. Now go to your integration site. Here you can see that the data has been fetched successfully. After fetching data, it is important to assign a unique value, such as a form ID, every time a form is submitted. This will help ensure that each submission is properly identified and processed. Then find and select a field that contains the same value, then select other fields that you want to map with your action field. Set a unique key. Set an action. Search and select PODS. Choose pod type. Choose post status. Comment status. Choose an author. Map the respective fields. Here are the advanced features in the conditional logic. You can use it for your requirement. Save. Now go to your form and fill up with data. Click on the Submit button. Then go to the PODS Custom Post dashboard. And here you can see that a new post was created successfully under PODS Custom Post. Thanks for watching.